Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today's video will be about Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell and trade various cryptocurrencies. The platform is user-friendly and offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. So let's head to the website and create our first account. So one of the strength points of Binance is its large selection of cryptocurrency available for trading, with over 500 over coins and tokens available. Additionally, to exchange has low trading fees and offers various discounts for users who hold the Binance coin tokens. So you can sign up for with your email or phone number, or you can just continue with Google or Apple if you are an iPhone user. So let's allow it. This was just Arabic language. So referral ID options. If they asked for any IDs, you can put this ID and confirm. Now that you have created half of the account, the account has been created. Verify your identity to enjoy your Binance journey. So you need to verify your account. So let's get verified. Select your residency and follow the steps. So complete the following steps to verify your account in 7 minutes. We need personal information, government issued ID, and liveness check. So Binance take care of legitimacy. So your account should be verified on the right way. Like, I mean, like you are creating an account in the bank. So here we have nationality, and here you should fill up with your right name, with your true name. The middle name, if you don't have, you can leave it without anything, and your last name, your family name, and shown on your passport as shown on your passport or ID card or driving license. So here you fill up with your birth date. So I'm gonna fill up this information and go back to you. After answering the first questions, here fill up your current residential address. So this account is just an example. So I'm putting address they give as example. If this work, continue. Okay, it works. Postal code, let's just make 5 numbers. The city, okay, let's put this city. No thanks, it's just an example. I'm not filling my true information on this website on YouTube. So I will be deleting my account, this account, after I show you how to create your account here. Now I need a national ID card. Upload a complete image of your ID document. Ensure all details are legible in the image you uploaded. Ensure the document is the original and has not expired. Place document against solid colored background. So this is official. You can save and exit from here. You're about to exit the personal verification process. Are you sure you want to exit? No. No, let's continue and put our verification documents. So I can't. For now, I'm only using my laptop, so I can't verify now. So after you done verifying your account, you will see your currency. You can attach it to your account, your bank account, your credit cards, and you can start trading, buying, or even selling your coins. So Binance also offers a mobile app, making it easy for users to trade on the go. The platform provides advanced trading features such as limit order and stop loss orders, as well as comprehensive charts and trading analysis tools. However, Binance has faced some regulatory challenges in certain countries, and it's important for users to understand the regulatory landscape in their own jurisdictions before using the platform. So I didn't check if my country allow Binance, and I think it's hard to log in from my country because it's forbidden here. I didn't check. So overall, Binance is a popular and well-regarded cryptocurrency exchange with a wide range of trading options for user-friendly interface. So I will verify the account on the mobile app and be with you in seconds. So sadly, I couldn't create an account for several reasons, and I will just explain it. So the home is very simple. Here we can exchange, we can do charity after collecting some money or buying it, some crypto coins. Charity Labs, Trust Wallet, BABG, Accept Crypto Payment. We have Academy, Learn and Earn, DEX, Research, Binary and Live, OTC Trading. We have Binance Gift Card, DeFi Wallet, Launchpad. You can buy crypto and pay with your credit cards or the crypto you have. Here we have the markets, we have the trading, the derivative. You can earn from here. Binance Earth, Simple Earn, BNB Vault. They teach you how to earn your first credit card. Here we have the finance and the NFT sections. Here you can deposit, and my account is not verified, not created. So I can use my account, but it's just not verified. They won't trust me to do any transactions. So here we have the popular currencies, the BNB, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Galx, the green metaverse token. That's that's terrible change in the last 24 hours. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.